Hey, it's Nina Nevsky from Worship Beyond Tutorials, and I'll show you how to play the song Bless the Lord, Oh My Soul, or 10,000 Reasons. That's probably the actual title of the song. So we're going to start out with the introduction, and the introduction chords are C, G, D, and then E minor, and then C, G, D. So one thing you're going to see in this introduction is I'm going to play this flowy style of chord playing, and what you're doing is you're playing the first, fifth, and eighth of a chord. So get used to this motion. So with my right hand, I'm going to start off with playing a little bit of that melody. So the melody is like this. You're playing the B, and then D, E, E, D, E, and then A, B, A, G, E. And then we're going to play notes, chords after that. So all together it should look like this. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Anyway, so that introduction again, I'll play it one more time. So and then you start off with the chorus. The chords just kind of repeat. You know, there's the C, G, D, E minor, and then again C, G, D, and then they get to C, E minor, C, D, E minor, and then C, D, G. So how that will look like with the introduction, and then I'll go straight into the chorus. This vocal is a male vocalist, so my voice is not a great match for this key, but I'll do my best. So bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship your holy name. So that's the chorus for you. Just very simple. You don't want to make it too cluttered, like, you know, just very simple. Whatever. Anyway, so going to the verse, the chords are pretty much the same throughout the verse. So it's C, G, D, E minor, and then again C, G, D, E minor. That repeats 3 times, and then it's C, G, D, and then again G. So, starting. Let's go from the chorus. So, worship your holy name. So you go straight to the verse. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. So a lot of times the guitar kind of takes over through the verse, but the piano definitely still has a part, and even if you're playing solo piano, just go ahead and press on the bass key with one finger, unless you want to do something fancy like sun goes up, it's a new day dawning. You can also do that, just do first, fifth, eighth, and sometimes it'll be first and fifth because the eighth is too far in. So whatever you decide. So I chose to do it very simple with one finger, and then in the chorus I'll go back to the flowy style. So whatever may pass, and whatever lies before me, to be seen when the evening chorus, see there's that big gap between the first verse and the chorus. So you might just want to do like a G sustained with that too. Kind of make it like a very, you know, dramatic entrance back into the chorus. So you may have noticed that I played a little solo in the middle of the verse, and I was playing these keys: E, E, G, A, B. So E, E, G, A, B. And it's kind of like between that awkward space, like ever before me. Let me be singing when the evening comes. So you can do it, you can choose not to, but I think it's a nice feel. So back into that chorus. Chorus is pretty much the same all the times you're going to be playing it. And then verse 2 is the same. And verse 3 is probably like the quietest verse. And you might want to do it very like simple. So for example, and on that day when my strength is failing. So you're just pressing on the, you know, I'm doing inverted chords. Just the bass key and the chord once. The end draws near and my time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise. So yeah, just very simple. And then again, praise unending. 10,000 years and then how that verse 3 was very quiet at the beginning, and then at that last line you're just building up to go back to that powerful chorus. Now there's also, you know, the I'll worship your holy name a couple of times at the ending. So worship your holy name. So you do that E minor and then going back to C. Yes, I'll worship your holy name. Off with the G. So that's that ending part. But after you end it out, you might want to go back into the introduction instrumental. So your holy name, and then going to bless. Anyway, this song is gorgeous. It's so widespread and known all over the place. Really hope that your heart is open with praise to the everlasting Father who gave us more than 10,000 reasons to just worship Him and praise Him. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Go ahead and share this with someone that you know who loves God and loves to worship. Bye now.